Okay, so now is astrology scientific? So we surveyed 1,438 people surveyed. And 74 of them said astrology was scientific. Alright, so it says find the specific proportion in the survey who believe astrology is very scientific. So this is the proportion from our sample. So 74 out of 1,438 believed it was scientific. So we just do 74 divided by 1,438. The answer I get, 0.0515. And for part B, it says find a 95% confidence interval for the population proportion with this belief. So 95% confidence interval, p hat plus or minus 1.96 times my standard error. To calculate my standard error, this is going to be the square root of p hat times 1 minus p hat divided by n. I guess technically this is standard error of the estimate. My p hat is 0.0515, so 1 minus that, 1 minus p hat is going to be 0.9485. So my standard error is 0.0515 times 0.9485 divided by n, 1438. So this comes out to be 0.0058. So I've got 0.0515 plus or minus 1.96 times 0.0058. I have 0.0515 plus or minus 0.0114. Okay, so on the low end, 0.0515 minus 0.0114. This gives me 0.0401, and on the high end, I have 0.0515 plus 0.0114, 0.0629. Okay, so I'm 95% confident that the percentage that believe astrology is scientific, is very scientific, is between 4.01% and 6.29%. And part C asks, suppose a TV news anchor said that 5% in general think that astrology is very scientific. Is that plausible? Yes. 5% is a plausible number because it's contained in our interval. 5% is a plausible number for the population proportion P. Because it is in our interval. Our interval basically goes from 4 to 6.3%, and 5% is in between 4 and 6, and so 5 is a plausible number. 5% is a plausible number.